So here we're just supporting the ground maintenance for our aviation fleet. Anything that comes up with the trucks, we make sure that they have the capability to roll out to the FARP and do any missions they need. I've learned that you always gotta look at things at a different light and a different angle, because even doing this for almost 3 years, I'm still learning brand new things for same issues that I've had before.
And work starts at 08, so we're trying to get the squadron to bring in their services, unscheduled stuff, to bring up pretty much most of the problems that they have throughout the day or from yesterday, and we'll try to get up the vehicle to FMC. Every day is there's always something wrong with a vehicle, so we're either making trips out to the FARP or the Medi. It'll be on the spot fixes. Sometimes it'll be a recovery mission that we have to bring right back, and there'll be like days, like long nights that we have to stay here and work till the truck is up.
So we most recently finished a engine replacement on our 10K forklift. Other guys also finished off a transmission for a Humvee, and we've done plenty of troubleshooting since day one of being here and brought trucks back to life.
My guys, their morale's always high. They love to work, so it's a lot more work out here than there is back in the rear, because there's a lot of moving equipment. So.